come, let me show you a magic. As you can see, I have only a single contact in this HubSpot CRM. So let's go towards my Google Sheets, then click on this extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and click on this send all data. Now all of this data will be sent towards my workflow, and automatically multiple contacts will be added over here in my HubSpot CRM. You feel that this is not true? Come, I'll show you that this is true. We just have to refresh this contact list, and as you can see, multiple contacts are created over here. And yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we're going to create in today's video. That we can create bulk contacts in just 2 clicks and add all the details in our Google Sheets to HubSpot CRM. Not only HubSpot CRM, you can create this automation for any another CRM tool too. So let's see how to create this. So for that, you have to open the workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can create up to 100 of contacts for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder and let's see how to create this automation. For that, this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the 2 main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to select it as Google Sheets. For the event, we have to select it as new or updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. Now we have received this webhook URL, so just copy this webhook URL and open your Google Sheets. Now you have to go on this extensions, add-ons, and then towards this get add-ons. Now you have to add an extension in this spreadsheet which is named Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So go on the search apps and search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. You have to install this extension. As you can see, I have already installed it, and if you're installing it today, just make sure that you refresh your spreadsheet. It is very important because if you don't refresh your spreadsheet, you'll not be able to view the option of this Pabbly Connect Webhooks in your extensions tab. Once you have this Pabbly Connect Webhooks option, go on this Pabbly Connect Webhooks and then initial setup. It is going to ask you to enter the webhook URL and the trigger column. So simply paste the URL which you copied from the workflow as the webhook URL and enter the trigger column. So for me, the trigger column is D, but for you, it can be anything else too. The trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your workflow URL or webhook URL. Okay. So over here, let's open my Google Sheets, and as you can see, I want to send 4 details, so my trigger column is D. If you want to send 3 details, your trigger column will be C. If you want to send 2 details, it will be B, and so on. It totally depends upon your spreadsheet. After entering the webhook URL and the trigger column, you just have to click on this submit button over here. Once you click on this submit, it is saying setup configured successfully, and now this means that we have created the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, but it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, click on this send test button. Now once you click on this, it is saying test data sent successfully. It is saying that it has sent this first row, which is smart user, towards the workflow. So let's open my workflow and you're going to see that Pabbly has successfully captured the response for the same. So now we're going to create the contact using these details, and then towards the end of this video, we're going to learn how to create bulk contacts. Okay, so let's just close this Google Sheets. Now Now click on this add new action step. Now for the action application, you have to select the CRM for which you want to create this connection. So like for example, I am using HubSpot, so I'm just going to search for HubSpot and select it. You can use Zoho CRM, you can use Pipedrive, you can use many other the CRMs. Pabbly supports most of them. You just have to select the CRM as the action application and the event as create a contact and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between HubSpot and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with HubSpot CRM. Make sure to log in your applications before starting with the automation, otherwise Pabbly is going to ask you to log in it over here. And yes, my HubSpot is already logged in, so it is asking me to choose the account. So once I choose my account, automatically my HubSpot CRM account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Yes, this is so easy because I have already logged in all my applications. Now after connecting this, it is asking me for few details, but we are only going to first of all fill in the details which are required or the details which we have. So I have the first name, last name, email and phone number. So I'm going to fill in these 4 details only. You have to fill in the details according to yourself. Alright, so now let's fill in this email address. But over here is a hack that you don't have to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So what we have to do, put a slash, then search for the detail which you wish to map and map it like this. Now as I told you, I'm going to map 4 details: email, first name, last name and the phone number. So let's just look for the same details and map it one by one. And if you don't find some details, what you can do is you can search for the details. You have to do Ctrl F on your keyboard, search for the detail. Like I want to search for the phone number, so type phone number over here and automatically all the fields displaying phone number will appear. Then you can put a slash and map your detail very easily. Because HubSpot is asking for many fields, that's why you might need this. After doing this, you can click on this save and send test request and you can see it is saying contact already exists. This is an error. Okay, so this contact already exists. So let's open my HubSpot. Let's delete all the contacts over here. We're just only going to keep one contact, and in order to delete this, I have to type this. Yes, you can see we have deleted all the contacts. Now let's click on the save and send test request and you're going to see we have received the positive response that the contact is created. So let's open a HubSpot. Let's just refresh this contact list and yes, new contact is created over here. But now we have created a single contact. How can we create multiple? For that, you have to go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks and click on this send all data. Once you click on this send all data, all of this data will be sent towards your workflow and instantly the contacts will be created in HubSpot CRM or any another CRM you will choose. Further, if you want that whenever you add the new details and the contact for the same should also be created, then make sure that this button is also switched on, which is sent on event. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. Further, if you liked the video and found it helpful, then you can hit the like button, and if you want more automation tips, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.